Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Let's go ahead and have a great day today. Looking at NQ, should be pretty easy. So, two things. Relative equal highs, relative equal lows, relative equal lows, and relative equal highs. So we got two relative equal lows, and we got two relative equal highs. So at this point, we're really going to trade off the lower time frames to target one of these. Looking at this right now, as long as we hold up this 30-minute equilibrium block, we should go take out this first relative equal highs. However, today is OPEX. So I think we really got to make most of our money 9:30 out the gate. Because if we don't, the market's going to dry up pretty quick. Like probably by 11 o'clock, we're going to see nothing but consolidation. So we are going to be trading and paying attention more so to the lower time frames. So looking at the, what do we got? 30-minute currently holding up the fair value gap. Below that range, we would come back down into this 30-minute equilibrium block. Yeah, no, that's all the levels we have for today. Please. Good morning, everybody. Yes, sir. So looking at the 30-minute, I am going to go ahead and try some longs. If we can go ahead and get the retest of that 30-minute equilibrium block. We are also respecting a 30-minute IFEG. So pretty much as long as we hold this IFEG paired with the 30-minute equilibrium block, we will see more upside here. Alrighty, let's go, let's go, let's go. Posting NQ's levels right now. Oh shit, we dropped 200 points overnight. Oh, today should be a good day. We just need to get some good price action. And if we do go to the downside is going to pay out a lot more than the upside. Unless we rip to the second relative equal highs up at 20,162. Yep, a lot of money to be made today. Upside, I mean, we can make decent money. Downside is gonna make more money. However, we are respecting a 30-minute equilibrium block, hourly IFEG as well. So you kind of got two very strong forms of liquidity right now. So take a look at the 2 minute. 2 minute, we shift back bullish once we get a close back over this tiny equilibrium block right here. So let's keep this on watch. Ready. Based on a 5 minute, we'd have to close back over this volume imbalance to shift bullish. Based on a 2 minute, we'd have to get a close over this 2 minute equilibrium block to shift bullish. However, the hourly and daily are both currently red. All right, so based on a 2 minute time frame, as long as we stay below this 2 minute fair value, or not fair value, got volume imbalance, we see more downside. And also, as long as we stay below the 2 minute equilibrium block, we also see more downside here. Likely we come down to sweep these lows. It's about 20 points down. Oh, do we want to get this change state delivery? We never got the retest to the 30 minute just yet. Ideally, would like to see that retest before 9:30. Platform, I see no value in solely marketing channel. I just change the All right. Based on a 2 minute, currently respecting the 2 minute equilibrium block, still getting that rejection here. Off the 2 minute equilibrium block paired with the volume imbalance. So two today. Close over that equilibrium block and I'll start some longs. Longs are based off the hourly. Minute left in this candle. Gotta wait patiently for this close. We are retesting the 5 minute. Close back over the 5 minute equilibrium block and we're gone. So ideally, if we do get a close over this 2 minute equilibrium block, next we need to see a close over 934, and we see a lot more upside. $20 left in this 2 minute candle. 5 minute also, if we close over the 5 minute volume imbalance, likely we see more upside from here. And we even have lower time for relative equal highs up here at high of the day as well. So yeah, we had a lot of relative equal highs and a lot of relative equal lows. So keep that on watch. And so far, no body close. 30 seconds left in this 5-minute candle. Close over the 5-minute volume imbalance. We should see some more upside. However, we did just reject off the 5-minute equilibrium block from up here. Yep, just gotta be patient and disciplined. Based on the 2-minute, if we do hold up this volume imbalance, we should see some more upside, but it's only based on the 2-minute. Really, we need to see that 5-minute. All right, we just got the retest. It's beautiful. So far, lower time frame just supporting nothing but bearish price action at this very given moment. I just can't short this until we close below this 30-minute equilibrium block. And I can't long this until we close over that 2-minute equilibrium block. See what the market wants to do. If we do, whoever start dumping like the same thing like 9:30 out the gate we did yesterday, we'll just start trading the lower time frames and take this down. The market does like to repeat itself. Like yesterday we had relative equal highs. The market said forget those relative equal highs. We're going down. And it kind of looks like we're doing the same thing today. So be mindful of that. So better come take out this sell side here in the 30-minute. However, 3 minutes left in the 30-minute candle. We have to hold that equilibrium block. I'll be back in 1 minute. All right. Still holding up 30-minute equilibrium block. Still holding up the hourly IFEG. Paul, did you activate all your accounts? So let's go. Trying to hit the lotto today. Left myself 10K or better. I mean, today's OPEC, so I don't know if you're going to hit the lotto today, to be honest. You had all week to hit the lotto. You're going to have to use some sides to hit the lotto today. I don't know if we're going to, I don't think we're going to drop down another 600 points today. It's possible, but we have to wait and see. Oh yeah, the wrap ended up coming, bro. The wrap is complete bullshit. I can't even put that on my car. I just need 200 minimum. I mean, no, you need to focus on the process because in reality, every trade setup makes more than $200. So selling yourself short just because you hit $200 profit, not really ideal. 1 minute and we are open. Looking at ES is dumping. There's divergence already between ES and NQ. ES already took a sell side. NQ has not just yet. So the 650 sell side, or 7 o'clock, ES took it. NQ currently is still making up a higher low. However, NQ does look like we want to go take it out here in a second. And we just took out that sell side. And we closed directly at that 30-minute equilibrium block. Close over this 2-minute equilibrium block, and I'll start some longs. Let me look at the hourly again. What are we looking like? For the most part, somewhat still respecting this IFEG range. So we get confirmation pretty much that it's respecting the IFEG range once we close over the 2-minute equilibrium block. However, it does look like we want some more downside here. Just got to be patient and wait. You need to see at least a pullback to the equilibrium block to take a short. Very volatile right now in the lower time frames. Close below that 2-minute volume imbalance, and we see a lot more downside here. We're gonna see more downside right now. We just need to see a pullback now at this point. Some type of pullback. Lower time frames supporting nothing but bearish price action. So far, we got the rejection off this 2-minute equilibrium block, and we've been going down ever since. Pretty much as long as we stay below 19,885, we see more downside. A close back over this 2-minute equilibrium block will mean the hourly IFBG is being respected. So we pretty much got confirmation once we can get a close back over 886 to go long. Take out the relative equal highs. However, right now, price action is supporting nothing but bearish price action on pretty much almost all time frames. 5 minutes currently looking like a liquidity sweep. If we can invalidate this volume imbalance, 30-minute close directly on the equilibrium block. Or actually, no, 30-minute did offer a change state delivery, but I just don't like how that looks. So I'm going to wait for some form of confirmation on the lower time frames before I actually look to short that. So far, buyers are coming in pretty aggressive here. Oh wow, we moved up 30 points in a matter of a 2-minute candle. All right, today's a great day to make some money. I don't want to go down to the 1-minute time frame, but we might. I gotta be thinking big. No, that's facts. You do gotta think big. That 100K day in the future is coming real soon. I feel it. A minute left in this 5-minute candle here. Close below this low here, we signal more downside. A minute left in this 5-minute candle to wait for confirmation. So far, lower time frame, such as the 3-second chart, is starting to support some bullish price action here. We did just get a change of state delivery on a 2-minute time frame by closing over this volume imbalance. I just need to see it close over this equilibrium block for me to touch any type of longs. All right, get ready to go long, ladies and gentlemen. We're respecting the hourly. Minute left here. Oh, I'm loving this volatility there. I'm loving it. I am loving it. I'm loving it. All right, we just need to see it close over this 2 minute. If probably not gonna get the recess of this one. We might just get the change of state delivery here in a 2 minute time frame. I think it's also a 4 minute equilibrium black, if I'm not mistaken. So far, getting the same rejection off that same exact 2 minute equilibrium block. We just need to see it close back over here, retest at 86, and we are long. And actually, looking at the 5 minute, we do have a 5 minute equilibrium block as well that we do need to see it close back over. So to keep that on watch as well, we need to see it close back over 908. Either close over 908 or a retest of 87. I'll actually enter at the extremes of this equilibrium block. What is this, 83? Got a long down here at 82.75. Want to enter off the extremes of the equilibrium block here. Just got wicked in. Pretty much we absolutely have to hold this equilibrium block. Forty seconds left in this candle. Go for down 600. 20 seconds left in this candle. You're back up 200. We're already in some longs. Already called it out. You're up 600. 570. You need to see it close back over this 2 minute equilibrium block. You're up 800 here. Still up 570. Up 900 here. Up 1,000. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's fucking go, ladies and gentlemen. Big fucking payday. Ah, man, it's just a miss. All right, taking one contract off here. Just took out this buy side liquidity. We need to see a close over this, and we should see much more upside to go now. Love my edge. My apologies about yesterday. Yesterday I was just looking at the hourly time frame, which I never freaking trade like that. We should see more upside. We should see these relative equal highs get taken out here in a second. 760, 840. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, we're about to come take out the relative equal highs here in this last contract. If you're not in AOMID, you could enter off the retest of this 2-minute equilibrium block. But for the most part, we got everything so far, so we should get this expansion up to the very least a midnight open right now. Oh, I love my edge. Oh, this last contract's about to pay us out $2,000. So at 1500, 1560. That's me for the week. Thanks, Zeus. If you took the trade, please comment 1. And TP hit. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's fucking go. I'm done for the day. I'm not gonna lie. Great comeback. Please comment something if you took the trade. I really just want to know who's taking our trades. $80 to 44. Let's go. Let's go. 2-minute equilibrium block for the win. I love my edge. And the crazy thing is, we didn't even take the relative equal highs. We just missed it. Made 1,000, brother. Let's go. Let's go. Love to see it. We're probably going to get a push back up. We missed the high by 55 cents or by 50 cents. David, you funded now? You got to be funded by now. Uh, okay, so the reason why we might not have to take out these highs is because ES actually just took out its highs, and we're currently getting a rejection, but we'll see. But the hourly is still respecting that IFBG. Seconds left. If we close below this 2-minute equilibrium block, we shift back bearish. Keep that on watch. 5-minute equilibrium block is still holding intact for the moment. 5 seconds left in this 5-minute candle. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Congrats, brother. All right, so now that we took out the highs on, we got like triple relative equal highs up top. Close below this, I will short this back down because we are going to come back down to the relative equal lows now. We also just created a 2-minute IFEG as well. So close below this 2-minute equilibrium block, I will short this. Close directly at it. Mm-mm. 50 seconds left in this candle. All right, we should go take out these relative equal lows now. Get ready to get into some shorts on the retest of this equilibrium block. Um, I have a short entry here at shit, what just happened to my order? We did just get the retest. I do want a better entry here in a second. I want to go short at 98. All right, just got filled on shorts here. Pretty much need to stay below this equilibrium block here. No ifs, ands, or buts. On the 2-minute time frame. Basically, as long as we don't close over this IFEG, we should see more downside here. Currently down 800 here. Thirty-seven seconds left in his candle. Down 1100 right now. 7 seconds left in his 5-minute or 2-minute candle. Yes, sir. That's 5 years of hard work, man. All right. Well, we closed directly at that level, so we got to wait another 2-minute candle here. Yeah, we could do a couple different things here. We could easily push back up, or we could easily push back down. So just gonna be patient here. Still in the trade. Still down 900 right now. 860. All right, so far still respecting the 5-minute equilibrium block. Also paired with the 2-minute. About to be back at break even here in a second. We just got to close back below this 2-minute equilibrium block here. Do not want to see this form of bullish equilibrium block here. Lower time frame is very indecision right now. This thing can do a couple different things. 5 minute is trying to shift bullish, but however, we did just reject off that other 5 minute equilibrium block. May get the change of state and delivery. You got to wait and see here. Minute left, like we get this breakout here. Looks like it wants it. And also respecting the 5 minute IFEG here. We're going to come back up to the relative equal highs up here. We get confirmation once we can close over this 5 minute. 2 minutes left in this 5 minute candle. About to stop out here in a second. Still down 980. Really drop down to the 1 minute and start scalping at this point. And it is OPEC, so we easily probably could chop for a good bit. Right now we're just chopping between these equilibrium blocks. Minute left in this 5 minute candle. We have to create this, hold up this IFEG. If we don't hold up the IFEG, we can easily come back down. However, we just need to see it close back below this range at 885. So far, we are just bouncing from equilibrium block to equilibrium block. See if we can actually close below this 2 minute equilibrium block here. .28 seconds left. Back at break even. We should dump from here. All right, we just closed back below the equilibrium block. We should go down from here. Back down we go, ladies and gentlemen. That's why you gotta hold on to your damn trades and trust your damn conviction. We're going to take out the relative equal lows. I'm literally probably about to just log off here. I'm about to head out to the gym. Once we break below this 5-minute low here, pretty much we got confirmation. Just need to see the body close. We're gonna go take out the relative equal lows from here. Currently up 1,000, 1,100. We did just take out a form of sell side. However, I am looking to be a little gritty on this. However, because looking at the 30-minute, we did get the change state delivery. And it looks like we're about to form a new bearish 30-minute. Pretty much as long as we hold below this 2-minute equilibrium block, we should see more downside here. Nine seconds left in this candle. Still up 600 here. 20, 660. Just need to see this 5-minute candle break below this low, and we see more downside here. A minute and 40 seconds left in this 5-minute candle. We need to see it close below this low. No ifs, ands, or buts. There we go, up 1,100. Mhm. 5-minute, we need to see this low breaking. 32 seconds left in the 5-minute candle. All right, we got the close. We should see more downside from here. All right. About to walk my stops. But it stops at 90.99 here. 8.99. Price shouldn't return back up to that level if we're gonna see the relative equal lows taken. So far, I got the rejection of the 2-minute volume imbalance. Looks like we're about to get the retest of this 2-minute. We just created a wick. Just got stopped out. And this is OPEX price action. That's what I expect on OPEX. OPEX trades like this. Price action just becomes slow. Like, you'll respect the equilibrium block, then disrespect it. So right now, currently, lower time frames are forming bullish price action, and bearish, then bullish, then bearish, then bullish, then bearish. 14 seconds left in this 2-minute candle. Close over this fair value gap range on the 2-minute. We likely get the retest of the 5-minute equilibrium block again. We close back over this 30-minute equilibrium block. We should see another push up again. Price action on the lower time frames kind of just chopping. We're taking out like lower time frame sell side, lower time frame buy side, but that's really just it. We tested the relative equal highs. We missed it by 25 cents. So with that being said, if we do get a close back over 920, we should see more upside here. Currently getting a retest of this 2-minute fair value gap range. Still respecting the 2-minute equilibrium block. However, the 2-minute has been going back and forth. Bullish to bearish, bullish to bearish, bullish to bearish. Right now, the market hasn't really decided what liquidity we want to go take out. Does anyone have a message on Top Step? No live account trading due to CrowdStrike global incident. Never heard of that. Is that for Top Step X? Now, based on the 2-minute, looks like we're trying to shift back bearish yet again. I really just want to see one A plus setup that I can just take this trade and just forget about it. But so far, lower time frames are just going back and forth, back and forth. Not sure. I don't use Top Step X. So we want to break down from here. See if we can actually get the close below the low now. Minute left in his 5-minute candle. Should form a bearish 5-minute equilibrium block. I get it 5 more minutes. Based on the 3-minute, if we close below that volume balance, we will see more downside here. We did just create a 3-minute IFG as well to the downside, so keep that on watch. More things are signaling to the downside as the daily is still bearish. Hourly is bearish currently. Lower time frames just shifted back bearish. However, the lower times aren't really reliable today just because they are shifting bearish to bullish, bearish to bullish, bearish to bullish. We're about to get a retest of this 2-minute equilibrium block again. Looks like we're shifting back bullish yet again here on the lower time frames. Yeah, I'm not trading this. Lower time frames are just going back and forth from bearish to bullish, bearish to bullish. So now we're trading. One minute, just created a new IFPG. We close over this 2-minute. For value gap range, we likely see a push back up. Based on the 2-minute, pretty much we're kind of chopping. However, we did just create another IFPG to the upside. Hourly did just flip back green. We could see a push up to take out some form of internal liquidity here. It's possible. Let's go select a 10-minute time frame to find a clean setup. And this is OPEX price action for you. Prices are shifting bearish to bullish on the lower time frames. And that's why I said we got to make our money pretty early this morning. Thank God we did. All right, I got 2 alerts set. Great job today, ladies and gentlemen. Proud of you guys. I am calling it a day. Hopefully, you guys have an amazing rest of your day and a great weekend. I will see you guys on Sunday. Anybody have any questions before I hop off? Please ask your questions. Don't DM me the question. Just ask right now. Now's a perfect opportunity, and there's no such thing as a dumb question. Questions? Alrighty. I'll see you guys next week. You guys have a great rest of your day.